All right, get the hat off. Put the helmet on. I'm kind of an amateur, so I'm not going to be as good as this little guy. And I'm also a lot bigger, so the bike is going to be a lot more awkward. But that's okay, because I'm really cool. Okay, so first off, kickstand. Pull that up. And, oh yeah, start it. Duh. Make sure it's on run. Alright. Now, I'm going to hold the clutch. Put it in first. That. I'm only going to do a few laps because I'm not as good, and I can't shift into fourth yet. Not there yet. Damn, it starts. Alright, take it slow so we don't crash. Start. Speed up. Slow it down. Alright, take it up the hill. Slow down. A little bit. I don't know where he went. Ah, damn it. I killed it. Damn it! That was kind of stupid. Alright, that's fine. Clutch. Put it all the way down to first. Okay, now put it into neutral. Push it back up. Like I said, I'm not as good as him, so I'm probably going to kill it more. Alright, now to neutral. I'll start it again. Still good? Yeah, you're good? Alright. Forward clutch. First. Center it. Third. Oh, I like that. Be careful, people go hauling ass down here. Oh, I didn't even say that. My bad. Alright. It's getting dark. Be careful. Start getting fast. Put it in neutral. Bam. We're all done. Sorry for killing it, guys. I'm still new. Alright.